Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Roku streaming device to the internet, step by step. Whether you're using a Roku Stick, Roku TV, or Roku Ultra, this guide will help you get online and start streaming in no time. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Power up your Roku. First, make sure your Roku device is powered on and connected to your TV. If you haven't already done this, plug it into your HDMI port and power it using the USB cable or included adapter. Step 2. Roku welcome screen. Once your Roku device boots up, you should see the Roku welcome or home screen. If it's your first time setting up, follow the on-screen instructions until you get to the network setup screen. Step 3. Choose wired or wireless. Now, it's time to connect to the internet. Roku offers two connection types, wired and wireless. If you have a Roku Ultra or any Roku with an Ethernet port, you can plug in your Ethernet cable for a wired connection. But most users will choose the wireless option. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select wireless and your Roku will scan for available networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi from the list. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure you type it correctly. It is case sensitive. Step 5. Connection test. After entering your password, Roku will automatically test the connection. If everything's good, you'll see a confirmation that you're connected to the internet. Conclusion. And that's it. You're now connected to the internet and ready to enjoy your favorite streaming services on Roku, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, and so much more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Got questions or ran into issues? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out.